Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube family Study with Pintu sir. Today we got a news about Odisha board result 2021. As you can see on the screen, written as Odisha government likely to declare class 10 board result by end of this month. This news has come today 14 June 2021, time 12:40. Let us check about this news in details. This news came from Bhubaneswar. The state government is likely to announce the annual high school certificate or class 10 board exam results by the last week of June. School and Mass Education Minister Sameer Ranjan Das said on Sunday the assessment process of class 10th students is going on and we expect to announce the result by the last week of June. As we had told earlier, all efforts are being made to adhere to the stipulated time frame, Das said. In this way, after the state government announced cancellation of class 10th exam due to surge in COVID cases for the 2021 academic season, the Board of Secondary Education BSE decided to evaluate the students on the basis of marks scored in class 9th and 10th. Most mental schools have already sent the marks of the board for calculation, and officials said as many as 2,766 schools have been selected as mentor schools, to which neighborhood schools have been attached. Around 6 lakh students had registered for the class 10 board examination for the 2021 academic year. Every year, the class 10 board exam results are declared by middle of June. The minister said the preparation is over for starting classes through live streaming on YouTube from June 17. We are starting YouTube classes with class 9th and 10 initially, but in the next few days we intend to start classes from primary, secondary and higher secondary classes too, as there is uncertainty over reopening of schools in the near future of the wake of a likely third wave in which more children could be infected, and government is also making preparations like pediatric beds and training. The YouTube classes will be quite helpful for students, Das said. The minister said a meeting of all district education officers of 13 districts is scheduled on June 18, in which the next course of action regarding the YouTube classes will be discussed. So there is a big news, that is your result is about to come. If you agree my video, then like the video and subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon